marriage is not about feelings. It is a commitment. Maya-maya lang, magpapalitan kayo ng wedding vows. Ano man ang ipapangako ninyo sa isa't isa, make sure to act upon it.
Ito kasi binilan ko hindi sila. Nakita na namin yung lahat.
Nagulat ako. Hindi niya nakikita na magiging committed siya sa isang romantic relationship in the future. Hindi niya nakikita yon.
Ay parang trials. Parang yung pagbaba namin sa hagdan papunta dito, isang pagsubok.
Mag-aasawa ka, ready kang mag-take ng risks. Hindi mo alam kung mananalo ka o matatalo ka, di ba?
70 summers had I to spend all of them with you. And about the material things, baby, this
Troy, do you take Sheila Marie as your wife, as your own flesh, to love her, even as Christ loved the church, to protect her and care for her for the rest of your lives?
I do. I do.
magic, baby. Remember when it all began? Didn't think we'd be lovers, we were just best friends. Isn't it funny how it all plays out? Didn't see it coming, but I never got out.
And then ngayon, pare, yung fear mo sa commitment, binago mo sa sarili mo.
Pag talagang gusto mo yung tao, syempre magte-take ka ng risk.
You may now kiss your bride.
My first and my last, my beginning, my end. I'm surrounded with your song for my deliverance. Faithful and true, you know all my way. You're committed in love for all my days.
Sa ceremony na yun.
A marriage is like a box. It's empty, empty. Pagka nahawakan mo na siya, kailangan lalagyan mo siya ng mga laman. That your love, romance, intimacy, friendship, laughter, everything, even the little things. Para pagka yung time na medyo nagagano ng marriage, may kukuhanan
You
ka.
loved me first and I was made to love you back, oh Lord, in your first love.
Hindi naman po talaga ako paiyak ang ina. Nadala lang po ako doon sa sinabi ng MC na ibibigay ko na daw yung Little Princess. Willing naman ako ibigay. Kaya lang talaga.
I'll be found in love.
Talaga na namang hindi ako iyak, kaya lang nag-emotional talaga ako eh. Wala akong masasabi kundi Troy, welcome to the family.
Perfecter of my faith.
tandang-tanda ko yung sabi ni Troy. Sabi niya, wag po kayong mag-alala, tita. Aalagaan ko po si Sheena.
Wherever you find me, I'll be found in love.
Troy, ituloy mo yung pag-aalaga kay Sheena.